What's going on YouTube? Trainer Nocturne back with some more Star Trek CCG, the Borg. This is box number 3, and this is part 2 of box 3. I'm just opening 10 packs at a time now, and I'm just showing off the rares out of each pack. Go through them a little quicker. If you want to see all the cards, go back. And box 1, I went 3 packs at a time and actually showed all the cards. Box 2, I went 5 packs at a time and showed them. Oh, there we go. 7 of 9 in this pack. She is a rare plus, so I will definitely sleeve that one up. And all the cards here are going to be for sale once I'm done here. Also have an iCard in the video. Check out both of my daughters they have their own channel, and they are the Pika girls, so I'm usually helping them. Surat is I'm assuming it's a regular. I'm usually helping them on their channel, so I only open up stuff like this for myself, and I found a couple people that didn't have, so they enjoyed, or they enjoy Star Trek, so I figure when I open these up, I upload them and show people what's in them. See what the rare is. 3rd and 4th. That one is a rare plus, I believe. The rare plus cards are 33% more rare than a regular rare, according to Decipher. Okay, let's get on to the next pack. Okay, and 4 to the back. The rare is 5th. Getting quite a few Borg rare pluses in this. This part of the box opening. Hoping to see some more of those dual affiliation cards. I think that's the part that's going to make making one of these sets a pain in the butt. And there's a common dual affiliation and the IKC Voklen. I'm going to assume it's it's actually a rare plus. So I will sleeve that one up. I haven't seen this card yet, so it's nice to see something different. And there is one ultra rare in this set, and it is the original Barclay. Okay, let's see. 4, and the rare is Jorik. I think he's just a regular rare. Yep, he is. Okay, what do we got? 4 more packs left in this part. And the rare is Idrin, number 82, and that's a regular rare as well. Okay. And we have Ankari Spirits. I'm assuming just a regular rare. 2 more packs in this part. There's another dual affiliation common card. And the rare is 3 of 9. Still getting quite a few. Let me just check this one real quick, see if it's, yeah, let's see. Excuse me, it is a rare plus, along with those other Borg ones. And here is the last pack in this 3rd of the box. There's another dual affiliation card, just a common though. And the rare is 2nd, another Borg. Imagine that. I think I got all of those ones. Let me check. So I'll go through these. Yeah, there's second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so I think these are just the regular rares: Ankari Spirits, Idrin, Jorik, Surat, and then the rare pluses are the IKC Vakling, 3 of 9, and then we have second, third and fourth, and fifth, and 7 of 9. So, I'm hoping you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, please subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Check out my daughter's channel too, the Pika Girls. Thanks everyone for watching my video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.